At Digiart Design Services, we specialize in designing full mouth bars with the latest and advanced software ensuring precision, strength, and long-term reliability. Our digital expertise allows us to create highly accurate, custom-fit solutions that provide optimal support for implant restorations. By focusing on stability, function, and aesthetics, we develop full mouth bars that enhance patient comfort and prosthetic performance. Our streamlined digital workflows improve efficiency, minimize adjustments, and ensure consistent quality. Partner with us for expertly crafted designs that optimize your workflow and deliver outstanding clinical results.